How to use do. We use do with I do, you do, they do, and we do. Let's try to make a question. Instead of saying I do, we say do I, do you, do they, do we. Do I study every day? Nag-aaral ba ako araw-araw? Do I want this book? Gusto ko ba ang aklat na to? Do you remember her? Naalala mo ba siya? Do you have a pet? Meron ka bang alaga? Do you have my wallet? Nasa iyo ba ang wallet ko? Do they like ice cream? Gusto ba nila ng ice cream? Do they like dogs? Gusto ba nila ng mga aso? Do they like pasta? Gusto ba nila ng pasta? Do we have an English class? Meron ba tayong klase sa Ingles? Do we need to go there now? Kailangan ba natin pumunta doon? Do we go to school? Pupunta ba tayo sa paaralan? How to use does? He does, she does, it does, and Bob does. Let's try to make a question. Instead of saying he does, we say does he, does she, does it, or does Bob? Does he work hard? Nagsasumikap ba siya? Does he want a cup of tea? Gusto ba niya ng isang tasang tsaa? Does she like dancing? Gusto ba niyang sumayaw? Does she have a watch? May relo ba siya? Does she have a gift? May regalo ba siya? Does it look nice to me? Bagay ba sa akin? Does Tess do her homework? Gumagawa pa si Tess ng kanyang takdang aralin? Does Bob live in China? Nakatira ba si Bob sa China? The contraction of do not is don't. Does not, doesn't. Let's have a look at don't. I don't, you don't, we don't, they don't. He doesn't, she doesn't, it doesn't, Bob doesn't. I don't live in Japan. Hindi ako nakatira sa Japan. I don't eat meat. Hindi ako kumakain ng karne. You don't like Mary? Hindi mo ba gusto si Mary? We don't have money. Wala kaming pera. We don't have school today. Wala kaming pasok ngayon. It doesn't matter to me. Hindi mahalaga sa akin. It doesn't take long. Hindi ito magtatagal. She doesn't want to give up. Ayaw niyang sumuko. He doesn't want to marry me. Ayaw niya akong pakasalan. He doesn't have a cat. Wala siyang pusa. Tess doesn't want this kind of life. Ayaw ni Tess ng ganitong buhay. Bob doesn't drive on Sunday. Ayaw ni Bob magmaneho sa linggo.